What is going on, guys? It is now Saturday morning and we are here on the duck pond and we're gonna get after some birds. Stay tuned. They're coming back. Watch it. Giant walleye.
It's a pike. That's a frickin' pike.
Good girl.
We about to get some birds.
What's going on, guys? TCG back at it again with another video. Today we're at the good old goose and duck pond. It's an evening, probably about 4:15ish, and I'm going in after some evening geese hopefully. And this coming weekend it's all going to be shot on GoPros. I don't have any of my SD cards, I left them with work, so no big cameras this weekend, just GoPros. Hopefully we can stick some birds, so stay tuned. Oh my God. Get the goose. Get the goose, Maggie. Get the goose. Get the goose, come on. What is going on, guys? It is now Saturday morning and we are here on the duck pond. We're gonna get these decoys in the water and we're gonna get after some birds. Stay tuned. Oh, four. Not low enough. Oh yeah, they're coming in. Get ready. No, don't shoot. Just wait. There's one.
That was you.
That was me. There's one.
That was you, totally.
That was me.
Good shot, man.
Thank you.
Oh, one just landed over there.
What?
Right by Tim. Duck.
Is it in the water?
Yeah. There it is. Dead. Nice shot!
Yes, Tim!
Did you see that duck get shot?
Yeah. Not Tim's though.
Yeah, I didn't see Tim's. You like that shot though? You think I'm a good shot?
Giant miss though.
I reinforced the kill. That's a crow.
The reaction! I got that on camera! Give us an update?
Someone's bucking.
Give us an update. Okay, Johnny, give us an update.
We shot a duck. Actually, two.
Alright, good enough. Would you say it's towards those dead trees?
No, it's straight through that opening.
Alright. Come on, Maggie.
Hey, Disney, back. Disney.
Where's the duck? Get the duck, Maggie. Would you say these dead trees is too far? This way? Get the duck. Hey, get the duck. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Maggie. Woo! Yeah, dude. Go on. Let's go. I could hear it in her breathing when she was in there. I knew she had something in her mouth. Is that what? Pretty close, eh? Oh! Yeah. Hello, hen. Oh!
I've never seen one. How much meat you get out of that?
That's good. That's a decent bird. Mallards are good.
Where do you get bucked?
Let's see. That's probably a hole. Wing definitely got busted somewhere. Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it broken right around here. Neck for sure. It was a good shot.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Man, it landed here.
I saw it land.
And I was like, no way. And I was like, okay. Like,
Yeah, I saw it land. I saw it come
and
in.
then it
land.
took off. I'm like, okay, I'll shoot it now. For
Oh, you shot it in the air?
It's after it took off. That's why it's so far away. The cattail blew up the...
I literally watched it, like, cause I thought, I'm like, is he sleeping? Like, I'm gonna walk over because I saw it land. Get the bird, Diz. Good girl. Yeah, cause I saw it land. I'm like, yo, one just landed in front of Tim. I'm like, is he awake?
I was like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, all right. I was just like lying up. I'm like, no, like he's just sitting there. Like, I can
This is easy, yeah.
Oh, because they mangled the bird. Hey!
Hey! What'd they do?
Yeah, this one's
They just mangled it.
Which
They're
one?
beefing over the bird that they ripped apart.
Yours.
No, mine's right there.
No, that's mine,
that's it.
dude.
That's yours.
This one's
That's your duck.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it is, dude.
100%.
Mine's got two
Missing
legs.
leg. That one's got 2 legs. See?
Oh yeah, that is mine. No, this one only has 1 leg.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that's yours.
they ripped
I
the
had
leg
2
off.
legs.
No, they
No,
you had one.
they ripped the leg off, dude.
that's why they're beefing, because they're fighting over the
Can't even take a picture with that thing. Holy.
Yeah, like it's
holy.
You can't cook that whole.
No, you can get the, you can get
but
that
I'm
breast
gonna
off.
take stuff off of it.
Yeah.
You can take that whole breast.
You want me to do it for you?
Just take the breast off now.
Take
Put it
some
in
meat
the
off
bag.
for you?
Fuck it.
Do you have a bag?
Yeah, I got bags. So we just got back to the vehicle. I shot a mallard and Tim shot a mallard, and now it's time to get these birds cleaned up and ready to eat. So let's get her done. Good girl. Well, I have no clue where this video has even left off at this point. It was probably 2 days ago on an evening hunt, but we're back at it. It's a morning. It's about 6:50 or 5:50, sorry, and I'm gonna get these decoys set up in the water and wait for some birds. Last time I hunted this place solo, I got my daily limit of ducks, so let's try to do the same thing today. Just got the decoy spread out. Probably still got 30 or 40 minutes till shooting light, so I'm just gonna chill out and start quacking. Become one with the quack, and hopefully call in some mallards and whatever else is flying. Let's freaking go. Well, the morning hunt was unsuccessful. A couple missed opportunities, but not many birds at all. I only saw 6 in total. But I'll be back at it later this evening, give it another shot for some geese, and hopefully I'll get to take a few home. So stay tuned. It's about 4:30, I'd say, maybe a bit later. And I'm going in for the last hour and a half of hunting for ducks and geese. Let's go! Get him, Maggie! Let's go! A mallard! Came right over us from the other pond. One shot, one kill. No, Eldon.